Alright, well, this is baby Huey. We just got him out of the kennel. He's been running around being crazy boy. Now he's calmed down. He seems... I don't know what to say about him.
Needs more exercise.
He needs a lot more exercise. He needs a large piece of property. A young, strong owner. He was jumping on us when we first got here, and we had to school him, so now he's got it. No jumping on us. So he's learned that. He learned it well. Go, Lauren.
What do you smell, huh?
So baby Huey's been waiting for a home for about a year?
I think so.
It's been a year for him. He needs a home. We really don't know what to do with him. Someone needs to give him a home. He's very affectionate.
Yeah, I know. You're a lapdog? Are you a lapdog? Are you a lapdog? Oh, in the tree.
Hi, baby. Oh! Yeah, you smell it, don't you? Here, let me get you a couple. Here you go.
No. Sit. Sit. With a boy. 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 Good boy. You ate it all. You ate it all. Nope, just two.